Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Shark NV752 Rotator-powered lift-away TruePet upright vacuum. This vacuum is designed to be a versatile, all-in-one cleaning powerhouse, combining powerful suction with innovative features that make it a standout choice for homes with pets or lots of hard-to-reach spots. Let's see if this vacuum lives up to its promises and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. The Shark NV752 offers a 2-in-1 powered lift-away design, which is perfect for tackling both above-floor and floor-level cleaning with ease. With a simple lift, the pod detaches, allowing you to clean under furniture or in tight corners, while the powered brush roll keeps working, giving you a deeper clean than many other vacuums. It also boasts advanced swivel steering, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, through doorways, and along baseboards. This flexibility makes cleaning those tricky, hard-to-reach places a breeze. For allergy sufferers, this vacuum has a serious edge. The anti-allergen complete seal technology works in tandem with the HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. If you've been struggling with sneezing, itchy eyes, or other allergy symptoms while vacuuming, this is a real game changer. The 0.88 quart large dust cup allows for longer cleaning sessions without needing to empty it, and it's easy to remove and empty when full. No mess, no hassle. The LED headlights on the nozzle are a thoughtful addition, illuminating hidden debris, dust, and pet hair that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're cleaning under a couch or in dimly lit areas, you'll never miss a spot again. The multi-surface cleaning feature allows you to switch effortlessly between hard floor and carpet mode with just the touch of a button, making it suitable for any flooring type. Now, if you've got pets, this vacuum's pet power brush is a must-have. It's a self-cleaning brush that does an excellent job at removing pet hair and ground-in dirt from carpeted stairs and upholstery. That's a major plus for anyone dealing with shedding pets. The included upholstery tool is perfect for picking up pet hair and debris from delicate fabrics like curtains and lampshades, and it works well on shelves, tables, and walls. The Crevice tool is great for getting into tight spaces, corners, or even the tops of ceilings. But how does it perform in real-world situations? Well, during testing, I found it to be very effective on both carpet and hard floors. The suction power was solid, pulling up dust and dirt without any noticeable loss of suction, even when transitioning between different surface types. It handled pet hair on upholstery effortlessly, and the self-cleaning brush kept tangles to a minimum. The swivel steering really shines in tight spaces. Maneuvering around furniture and through doorways was smooth and easy. That said, there are a few minor drawbacks. The vacuum, while powerful, is a bit on the heavier side compared to other models. It's not unbearable, but if you have to carry it up and down stairs frequently, it could get a little tiresome. Additionally, the cord is a standard length, so depending on your cleaning area, you might find yourself plugging and unplugging a bit more than you'd like. Also, the dust cup is a decent size, but if you have a large home or plan to do a lot of cleaning without emptying it, you might find yourself needing to empty it more often than expected. In terms of value for money, the Shark NV752 offers a lot for its price. Its performance across multiple surfaces, strong suction, and specialized pet cleaning tools make it a solid choice for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone looking for an all-around versatile vacuum. While it's priced a bit higher than some other vacuums, the included tools and the powerful suction more than justify the cost if you're dealing with stubborn pet hair or high-traffic areas. If you're considering alternatives, vacuums like the Dyson Ball Animal 2 or the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser might come to mind. The Dyson offers strong suction and great pet hair removal, but at a much higher price point. The Bissell, on the other hand, might be more affordable, but doesn't offer quite the same level of versatility or features like the lift-away design or the advanced swivel steering. The Shark NV752 sits right in the middle, offering excellent value if you're looking for a solid pet vacuum with plenty of extras. When it comes to build quality, the Shark NV752 feels sturdy. The plastics are durable, and the joints and connections are robust, ensuring long-term reliability. The brush rolls, particularly the one designed for pet hair, are easy to clean, and the dust cup is simple to empty. The HEPA filter does a good job of trapping allergens, but you'll need to clean it regularly to maintain its effectiveness. One thing to keep in mind is that, like any vacuum with a rotating brush, you may need to clear out pet hair from time to time to keep the performance optimal. In terms of maintenance, Shark's customer support is generally well regarded. They offer a warranty on the vacuum, and any issues tend to be addressed quickly. If you encounter a problem, it's usually a straightforward fix, and that's this, whether it's replacing a filter or cleaning out a blockage. For those with smart home needs, this vacuum doesn't have any connected features or app integration, so it's a more traditional hands-on model. But if you're looking for a reliable workhorse to get the job done without the need for extra apps or firmware updates, this is a great option. So, who is the Shark NV752 best suited for? If you have pets, struggle with allergies, or need a vacuum that can handle multiple floor types without breaking a sweat, this is a solid choice. It offers good suction, great pet hair removal, and plenty of versatility. While it might not be the lightest or the most compact vacuum out there, it's still relatively easy to use and maintain. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. And if you have any questions or experiences with this vacuum, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Goodbye till next time, stay clean, and remember, we've always got the best reviews inside.